So that A would contain everything actually from 1 through 126. I'm going to have to give you a special situation on this one. 127 will be loopbacks. It's an address that you're going to use if you want to check to see if your own machine can respond to itself. You're going to use the 127 address. But 1 through 126 are A addresses. Okay? Meant they have a 0 in the first bit. In the case of B, now 127 is not an A address for most people, although you will see sometimes it appear on some test questions and some books include 127 as an A address. A lot of people leave it out of A. It really does belong in there if you look at what the number it is here. Okay? Now, if you look at B addresses, and if y'all watch on how this part develops down here, then the numbers down there make sense. My problem with these class addresses was I tried to figure out where they come up with these odd numbers when I first had to learn them. And I was trying to learn these addresses. So that on B, it is 1, 0. The first two bits, I'll have a 1 and a 0 in them to be a Class B address. And then a Class C address is going to have a 1, 1, 0. Actually, if you go on and carry it on to a Class D, which they don't give you in your book, it's a 1, 1, 1, 0. And what Class E gets is everything that's left over. Okay? Now, if there's a 1 and a 0 here, that leaves 6 bits that we still got to play with in that very first octet, right? So we have 6 1s plus the 1 0. That will give us 128 through 191. Because 128 is 1 0 and 6 zeros. Because that 1 is in which column? It's in the 128th column, right? Remember from my little drawing on the board a moment ago. And think back to your binary. The 8th position is the 128th. There's 6 positions left there. That adds up to this other part of the 63 that adds on to it, if they were all 1s. Class C is going to be 192 through 223. Again, working off of a 1, 1, 0, and then the remaining 5 bits we can assign them on or off. Class D is going to be 224 through 239. Which actually means this is anything from 240 to 254. Now, Class E, I've told you what that one's there for, and that you're not going to ever run into those addresses. I've never seen an address with that numbers on it. But it's their purposes. And since I don't work for NSA and I don't work for the Pentagon, probably pretty much rules out doing Class E. Class D is going to be multicast. Those addresses will be used for when you want to send something out that is that's not being broadcast to every machine, but it's going to a number of machines that have been assigned to receive it. A lot of the things that you're seeing with web seminars and that type of stuff on the internet today, and you can see where you can go sign up and watch some web seminar.